guys, welcome to Beaches, Turks, and Caicos. We are going to give you a room tour of Key West 1BG. This is a one bedroom, so come on in. So as soon as you walk in, you are greeted by a galley kitchen. You have a full service fridge here, fully stocked with waters, juices, sodas, and club sodas and tonic waters up above. They will come by and stock up beer and hard liquor for you as well. This is an all-inclusive resort, so they want to make sure that you have options in your kitchen as well. A stovetop here with oven, as well as a microwave. So if you do have takeout from one of the many restaurants here at the resort, you can bring it back to your room and warm it up for a late night snack. Tons of storage space here. Drinks, drink cups already included. We got bottle openers, plates, bowls, everything you need. We do have a coffee maker here and a tea kettle here as well. Ice bucket, paper towels. We have coffee and creamers here with sugar and little non-perishable creamers as well. We have a full sink as well, so if you are bringing food back to the room and you're warming it up and using utensils and plates, you do have the option to wash them or just leave them in the sink and the service will come and clean it for you. And as soon as you walk in on the left, you have the washer and dryer combo. This is fantastic because you're able to do laundry throughout the week. You actually can do it right before you leave as well. That way when you go home, all your clothes is clean and you can just pack it right into the closets at home and you don't have to worry about doing any more laundry. So this is the living room, dining room space. It does have a 4-person dining room table here. This is fantastic if someone goes down and grabs breakfast and wants to bring it up to the room, and little ones can sit here and eat in the air conditioning. We do have double bed here, so we have a bed up top with the Murphy bed down below. I won't pull it out because it is a little heavy. I just want to be able to access this. 3-drawer dresser here, and then right underneath the 50-inch TV, we have 8 more drawers here. So tons of storage space for little ones or the secondary family that's traveling with you. As you can see as well, we got additional seating here with a coffee table, so nice to lounge and come and relax. So this room does accommodate 5, so you do have the option of bringing, asking for a crib or a rollaway bed. So with our little one being almost 4 years old, we've opted for the rollaway bed. So here you have the master bedroom. You have a full king-size bed here with end tables on both sides and obviously lamps. You have a really nice fan up above, and then again, more storage. You've got 8 drawers here in the dresser, tons of space to load up with your clothes, and then you got a chair here if you are looking to get ready and you need to clip on those high heels to your feet. And then we do have a very spacious closet. This is where you'll find the additional pillows and blankets for the beds out in the living room. And then a huge safe, big enough for a laptop. It can probably fit multiple laptops and iPads and passports in there. That there as well. And one thing I do like about these rooms is it does come with 3 umbrellas. That way if there is a rainy day and you need to run from one end to the other to maybe grab a pizza or food for your family, you can cover yourself up before you go. And then off the master and the hallway coming in from the entrance, you do have the bathroom entrance. So you do have 2 access points. You have the sink here locked off from the rest of the bathroom. So if someone is showering or using the toilet, someone is able to use this to brush their teeth or get ready for dinner. But it's very spacious. They do have a stool here for little ones to use to come up and brush their teeth. You got a trash bucket down below. You got Red Lane shower products. with soap, shampoo, conditioner, and lotion. They even offer a sewing kit and shower cap, and a couple of bars of soap as well. Got your mirror here in the corner, and then walking in this way, you have the three-piece bath. You have a secondary sink here, another mirror. You got the toilet there with the toilet paper, and then looping around, you have the stand-up shower. So this shower is fantastic. 5'10", so plenty of clearance up above, plenty of room in here, and we've got some options here to come and wash yourself. And then off the bath, going back out to the entrance, you do have a closet here. This is great for the family or little ones that are staying out in the living room. You do have an ironing board and iron, as well as additional hangers and shelving storage up above. And the best part is the balcony. It comes with a very spacious balcony. We've got a lounger here with a little end table, and then you've got a dining room table here that seats 4. And we are up on the 4th floor, so you actually have a beautiful view of the ocean in the distance. This is a garden view. This is not an ocean view, so this is a fantastic little perk to have, given what we paid for it versus an actual true ocean view. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We really appreciate you taking the time to check it out. If you are interested in staying at a beaches or sandals resort and you're looking for some assistance, we would love to help you. Please reach out to us, Paul and Ashley, Magic Vacation Planners on Facebook, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.